Yeah, mountains. Share is not too high. Who shares are you?
You don't share.
Let me share. I'm not get that to you.
Now you share. You can't just don't
Not
disconnect.
me get that page. My icon not play that now. The network connection is unstable.
Run a free mode, run a normal mode. I beg you, don't run anyone.
Look at.
Bless my word, entered there. Wait, I'm coming.
No, something.
Go to the main class. Okay, a big face, I'm coming.
Yeah, I need you log me to the conference.
It's company rats.
Yeah.
This area, rat area. Jesus. Oh my God. How far? Are we ready? Can we proceed, please? I think I can see his screen.
Yes, we are set.
I can see.
Yes, we are set.
That is okay, so let's go now. It's like he has called the file. The file, I think I can see the file now in his own. Joshua's own, right? I can see that he has called the file. Please, who is responding, please? I need to know who is responding. Joseph, Joshua,
We are both here.
Yes, we are here together. We are together.
So one person needs to, okay. Now, from what I'm seeing here, from the breakdown I'm seeing here, if you go to where you have controller IDE, I can see optical drive Kali Linus 2026, which shows that he has pulled that software that wasn't showing on the Chris. So I think what is remaining is to install it, right? Okay, just help me check. Let me confirm one more time. Let me right click on that Kali and select setting. Okay, let's hurry up. Let's hurry up.
Yes, 26. Which of the Kali? The first or the second one? Hello?
Okay, yes, the second one. What happened to the first one? What were you trying to do there? Okay, maybe the very first one you did on your own before, right?
I don't know where that first one came from.
Let's delete it. Right click on it and
I should click on the second one.
The first one, let's take it off from the screen. That first one, right click on it. Let's take it off from the screen so that it will not confuse us. And then you go to remove. Go to remove. Hold on. Have you clicked on remove? Okay.
Yes, yes.
Okay, now right click on it. I just want to confirm if all the necessary settings are in place before we commence the installation. Right click on the Kali and select setting. Let me see. I just want to check a few things before we proceed.
Settings.
Is it that my network is low? Okay. Settings. Yes, settings. Just hold on. Just hold on. I just want to confirm a few things before. Go to storage. Go to storage. I want to know if you have actually called the file. Click on storage. If you can be faster than this, I will appreciate that. Yes, you have the file already. Good. Now go to network. Go to network. Let me see. Click on network. Click on network. Let me check. Okay, it's also on that. Okay, so we are good to go with the installation. All right. Now cancel. Now, like I was trying to explain, what you have done is you have copied the installation file. Please, you can exit this setting interface. What you have done, you have copied the installation file into the VirtualBox. Now we want to initialize those files. We want to do the installation. I say you should cancel. I don't know. It's like you are
So I should leave this place.
Yes, whether it's network, maybe my network is behind because I'm talking after some time before you respond. Good. Now, you click on the Kali. Let's go ahead with the installation now. Click on the Kali, then you click on that start button. And make sure that you stay put, please, because there is an interface that will come up now. If you don't pick an option on time, it will just go ahead with the wrong option. So just make sure. Okay, hope you can hear me now. Can you hear me, Mr. Joshua? Hope you are still with me. I need fast response. I don't know whether it's my network or
Very well, sir.
I think it's my network that I guess should be my network.
His network that is slowing it, so we are with you. His network that's actually slowing it.
Now, so click on that start. Click on the start. Let's start the installation. So since my network or your network is slow, so I will just hold off for some time to allow you to get the message. If you can hear me, I'm waiting. Oh, click on the start, that start icon. Select the Kali and click on the start. I don't know if you can hear me. Oh. Can you hear me? Network is bad, man.
Hear you, I can hear you.
If you can hear me, please. I'm waiting for your response.
I can hear you.
We are yes, sir.
Yes.
Select the machine and click on start.
Please come again. What did you say?
Click on the start button. That start button you are seeing there. I think this is actually network. Select the second option very fast. Use your arrow. You don't click with mouse here. Just use your arrow button. Shift to the second option, install, and press enter. Don't click with the mouse. Don't click with the mouse. Just use your arrow button. Good. And then press enter. Good. Now, I would have loved if you can increase the interface. Yes, press enter. But you see that particular section where you have mouse integration, that cancel, click on it so that we can see the full display of the dialog box. Good. Now, I want you to you can also, maybe it's from my end here. Okay. Now, you can also, what I want you to be doing, in case you are writing your step, you are supposed to be writing steps. So I don't know, maybe later you sit down with the video so that we can finish the process. Now, for each interface that comes up, we must take note of what is it asking for. If you look up, that word that is written with red, it says select a language. So if you are picking any language here, you have to pick a language that you understand. So it's already on English by default. So just press enter. You are out. Please share again. Okay, so press enter. Just press enter. That's what I said. Press enter. Okay, so here is asking us to choose location. So you can search for Nigeria there, though you can actually continue the installation with any of the African or even the Europe country, but just pick Nigeria since we have it here, then press enter. Okay, then here is asking us to configure the keyboard, just like our phone. These are different keyboards. So let's stay with American keyboard. Go back to the first one. Go back to the first one. I think it was showing American keyboard. Good. So you hold on. So it's going to be taking us through different configuration before it will finally give us the window. So let's just be observing what is going on. Okay, so here, this host name, actually, you are supposed to be reading through this so that you understand what you are doing per stage. Now, in networking, because this particular machine, which is the Kali, remember I told us that this is the machine that comes with the tools for ethical hacking. All our scripting tools, they are in this machine. So which means that the machine is going to be in the same network with other targeted machine, or is going to connect to what other network. So in networking, host name is like if you have system in a work group and each of them have a name that is used to identify them. So that is what it's talking about. In case this machine connect to another network or any other network within the VirtualBox, how will this machine be identified?
So you just give a name and let the name be different from the name you use. So you have Kali there, you can use your name or you can use any name. For all this information, make sure you write them down. Anything that have to do with username, host name, note them down because some of them will be required to log in each time you want to use the virtual machine. So just change the name. You can make it Kali 2 just to make it different from the main machine name. And then this time around, you cannot press enter directly because there are two options there. After you have typed the name, don't press enter. Hold on. You say go back and you say continue. So you check your keyboard. You will say tab button, T-A-B. Just hit it until that continue option is highlighted before you press enter. Look for the tab button, then press it and be watching.
So wait, should I remove the Kali?
Yes, if you want to type another name, you can clear it up and type your name. Yes, type your name. What I'm saying is after typing the name, don't press enter because we have to choose continue. And at the moment, it's not on that continue. So you're going to use tab to select continue before you press the enter. Locate your keyboard tab. There is a button called TAB. Just press it. Good. Now you press enter to show that you are currently selecting that continue. Press enter. Now, domain name is, you can use that same name that you use for host name as domain name, but if you have other name, fine, but that name is acceptable so you won't have too many names. Then you use the same tab to select continue and press enter. Now, your full name for new user, this particular name that is asking for is the name that anytime, it shouldn't be the same with the two other names. The host name and the domain name can use the same name, but the username should be different. Now, the host name and other ones are just for network identification. But you see this one you want to type, you must go and write it down because after this now it's going to ask you for a password. This particular name and the password, you must write them or save them. So because after this whole installation, anytime you want to use this particular machine, it will ask you to log in with the details. So make sure you write this information down because if you forget, it means you will start the entire process again. So just get the name and get the name different from all the names you have entered. You can use Joshua if you have not used Joshua before. Please, let it be a single word. A single word. Don't write two names. Single word to avoid issue that touches hard letter. Just single word. I emphasize again. Write down this name somewhere. Okay. Now, select and continue. Okay. Okay, I think this name, yeah, use the same name. Use the same name. Use the same name, please. Don't change it. Then after this, it's going to ask you for password. Good. Please, your password should not be too long. Oh. This one is not like all those other ones that will state it must be 8 characters. Just use, even if it is 4 letters that you can remember, please go and write. Don't let it too long. Let it be password you can easily remember. Oh. After
yes, the one I will put, I remember it.
Okay. Okay. Now you have to repeat that password. So you hold on. Okay, so at this point, if you also read through what is asking us is partition. Remember when we were dealing with Windows Security Plus under data encryption, we talk about partition, which means that within that storage that you allocated, remember when we were setting up this program, this virtual machine, there was a place where we say hard disk should not be less than 20 gig. Probably, I believe you increase. So that particular space that you created is asking you whether you want to partition it or you want to use the whole of it. So we are going to use the whole of it for this installation so that when we get to the target machine installation, we will now ask those machines to use the same space this one is using. So that is why we are going to pick that option that say use entire disks. All right, so we are going with the first option. Now, where you don't have continue, the only thing you have there is back, so you can press enter directly. So press enter. Okay, so this is a kind of telling you that the space you have there is 20 point something. So you can go ahead with it. Press enter, press enter. Once there is no continue, it means you are permitted to press enter directly. Now, this is where it's telling you that so we are still going to go with the first option, but I'm trying to see it here. Partition what? I can't see the write-up of that first one, but I know it's the first one. So just press enter, continue. Press enter, sir. Okay, so this is the breakdown. Partition disks, finish partition. Yes, press enter. Press enter here. Press enter. Okay, now you are going to move it from no. I didn't say you should press enter. Oh, where did you go? Please wait for me. Oh. Press enter. Wait. Now we have no and we have yes. Use your tab button. Use the tab button to use the tab button. Go to select yes. Then press enter. So it's going to take time. It's going to take. I hope your battery is strong. It take time, but let's just keep watching.
We are following every new TikToker under 1,000 followers.
Please select the continue option. It's already, you can see that asterisk there, which means we are picking that first one. Good. Chris, I hope you'll be able to download, or maybe you can copy the one in his system. And the particular copy that is installing that you can, since you are together, if you can transfer it so that you can get this thing done before on Wednesday, because
I've tried to copy his own to like the very one he downloaded, but it's showing that the space they are copying it to is too small.
Wait, you don't have enough space on your laptop? Maybe that might be the reason, or maybe your laptop does not have enough space again. So you need to check if you have to remove some stuff. Because just find way to see how. Are you in a server now? Joshua, are you in a server? Sorry.
We are currently worried. We are in worry. We came for a meeting.
Okay, I don't know you are in a server.
We are both in worry. We came for something. We are in worry.
Okay.
I'll be coming to us about by weekend.
Okay, weekend. Okay, maybe. Anyway, we cannot wait for you. Wednesday we have to continue. Maybe before the next class, like Monday class, if you are not able to meet up. So if you can still learn with him. Because after this installation now we have to, since his own has entered, we have to continue. So maybe if you are not able to meet up.
I think the mistake I made was that. Okay. Let me not talk much. So since we are recording.
Okay. Okay, so click on yes. I hope you are here, please. I think we are almost done now. Click on yes. If you can hear me. Now, move to the last option. Move to the last
I can hear you. I can hear
Click on the last option. Just step down. Use your tab. Move. Use your arrow button. Select it. Good. Enter. Enter. And I hope you are taking note of what particularly Chris. Anyway, the video will be available so that you follow it.